Fall has arrived in the Rocky Mountains, and on a perfect Saturday afternoon, we're getting set for a Pac-12 showdown between the Wildcats and the Colorado Buffaloes. First place on the line today. Both teams sport 3-1 records. Both opened their conference schedule with a 3-point victory. For the Wildcats, it's their first road game in 6 weeks and first conference away contest. Folsom Field at capacity to watch two of the surprise teams in the Pac-12. When the day is over, the winner will be the only Southern Division team without a league loss. Snap, play fake, throws a no, caught Cunningham, first down to midfield, Cunningham with speed, down to the Colorado 40, 35 to the 30, 25, cut from behind at the 20, late flag, first down Arizona. Back to throw, rolling to the right, still rolling to the back of the end zone, it is caught, flag is down, touchdown Arizona, and I think it's going to count. And so count it to Berryhill.
Big time from Berryhill. When Khalil Tate scrambles as a wideout, you're tough to scramble towards the sidelines. That's exactly what he does. Khalil Tate, he's as good as anybody, keeping his eyes downfield, Ted. That was a perfect throw, an incredible job from Berryhill to get open.
All three timeouts. Back to throw Tate. Waiting. He's going to go deep.
He's got Peterson out there. How about that answer? Arizona, 75 yards, one play.
This game is awesome. This game is awesome. Khalil Tate.
What an answer.
Tate will take the snap. Fake the pitch. Back to throw. Going deep. Got a man open. Castile at the 5. Into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. 33 yards to Brian Castile.
Khalil Tate has such an impact on this game, Ted, because of his athleticism, his ability. And Colorado got caught sleeping, and all of a sudden, touchdown right behind him.
(27-21) Colorado, 3:50 to go in the third. Tate will take the snap. Hand off Tilford. Tilford pushed towards the goal line. He's into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona.
Again, the Wildcats swing right back. 5 plays. 80 yards, regain the lead.
Montez sends a man in motion. Hands off to Fontenot, and he's hit and dropped for no gain. Schooler right through the pack. And Colorado back in front by a score of 30-28. And Tilford into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona.
Blast his way through the middle of the field that time. Basically untouched. Great job by the Arizona offensive line again to take control of this game.
Back to throw. Has some time. Here comes the rush. He throws. It's incomplete. Off the hands of Stanley. And the Cats take over.
That's a huge play by Arizona. Arizona sent a delayed blitz that time. Montez got hit just as he was throwing the ball, and it was a high pass.
Arizona has come to Boulder for the 4th consecutive time and won.
And the Cats have won again in a Boulder. Arizona, first place, Pac-12 South, 2-0, winning their conference road opener. What a football game.
Heck of a game.
meaningful games, meaningful minutes, right? Make plays. Nice. So you know what time? Oh, no!